This steamed egg sauce came out so well, soft, fluffy, colorful, and absolutely delicious. For lunch, I served it with broccoli and a small portion of rice. This quantity was enough for two people. Off camera, I prepared the steamed egg. I cracked 7 eggs into a bowl. I added a little seasoning, a pinch of salt, and some mixed pepper, then whisked everything together thoroughly. Next, I poured the egg mixture into a moi moi pouch and steamed it for 10 to 12 minutes. Once it was fully cooked, I brought it out and allowed it to cool before cutting it into bite-sized pieces. I also prepared the meat off camera, and now we are ready to make the sauce. In a pot, I added a little vegetable oil followed by some chopped onions. I allowed the onions to cook for a short while before adding the cooked meats. I stirred everything together and then added the minced pepper. After allowing that to cook for a little while, I added a small amount of seasoning and curry powder. I used everything in moderation because I didn't want any one ingredient to overpower the others. I stirred everything together and allowed it to cook before adding the vegetables. I started with the green beans, followed by the minced bell peppers. Just look at how colorful the sauce is already. And now, here comes the star of the meal, the steamed egg. Look at how soft and fluffy it is. It tastes just as good as it looks. I gently added the steamed egg pieces to the sauce and mixed everything together carefully so the eggs wouldn't break apart. I allowed it to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, and the steamed egg sauce was ready. For the broccoli, I have blanched it first off camera. Now it's ready to cook. In a separate pot, I added a little oil, onions, and mixed pepper. I then added the green beans, a small amount of seasoning, and the blanched broccoli. Finally, I added a little corn flour mixture to thicken the sauce slightly. I allowed it to cook briefly, and that was it. Our delicious lunch was ready. This meal was simple, colorful, nutritious, and full of flavor. Would you try steamed egg sauce like this? Let me know in the comments. And please remember to like and follow for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.